Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Welcome back to the Daily Options Trade. Today we're looking at BlackBerry BB. The BB stock, I've already rolled this multiple times. It has been a favorite of Wall Street bets. And I sold these options the first time it was hot and been holding on to them ever since, trying to roll them out, roll them down, roll them out, and collecting credits each time. Now, today, I'm hoping that this option is going to expire. I just went into the money though. If it stays above $12, I don't really have to do anything, but it doesn't look like it's going to be doing that for me. Potentially. I don't know. Might have to check this out later. See how things go today. I sure hope it goes above again and it stays there. Alright guys, let me know what you guys think of BlackBerry stock. You guys like it? You guys not like it? Is it hot? Is it not? Alright guys. Anyway, that's all I have for today. If I end up rolling this, I'll make another video. Maybe I'll do a short. But for now, I'm employing my lazy option trader technique. I'm not doing anything. So, pretty easy. I like it. One of my favorite techniques. Not doing anything, just sitting back, waiting and watching. Hopefully this looks like it's in a downtrend. Hopefully it's going to go back up. Alright guys, let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching.